Hey my fellow riders, this is Sweet Scoots, and we are sharing a video with you that may help you out tremendously. As you know, looking into certain areas of your bike can be very difficult at times. We want to share with you a really cool tool that we love. I mean, you can look down in your cylinders, you can do pretty much everything. And the issue that we're having with this is we want to make sure that the petcock filter is there and that it's clean. So we're going to use this endoscope right here and take a look and see what we find when we go inside. Alright, you can see by the video that we just shared with you that it was easy to find the petcock filter. We checked it out, it looks great, it's clean, and we did find some other things in there that we're not really sure of what they were, but we'll dig into that further. But the neat thing about this tool is you can look inside your motor, pull your plugs out, look down on top of your pistons. You can do just about anything with it. You can pull your oil fill plug out and look inside there. It goes pretty much anywhere. Just thought we'd share that with you. And we've got a lot more to do on this with springtime coming up. We got to finish polishing this and get that taken care of. But we did rebuild the carb. We'll be sharing the video on that very soon. It is an older bike, but all bikes are bikes. They pretty much take the same kind of maintenance. So hopefully this helps you have a little bit more ability to look at places on your bike that you normally would not be able to. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description. You can hook a power source up to it so you have hours and hours and hours of power to look at whatever you want on your bike. Have a great day, my friends.